Welcome to the Google Cloud again. We are going to create NoSQL database. We're going to use DataStore, and we're going to connect using a Spring Boot application. So, yeah, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check to create a service account. Create a service account. I'm gonna call it data dash NoSQL dash store dash holder. That's great. Now I'm gonna give the role. Owner. That's it. More things. Oh, we don't need anything else. No, this one. There's our owner. Continue. Let's create a key. Automatically downloads our key. Close, and it's done it. I'm gonna use this key. Now I another thing. Just take it off from the screen. Okay, good. I'm gonna leave on cloud right in a while. Let me enable the shell over here. I'm going to deploy to clone a project. Just 1 second. I'm just changing some configurations of the project itself. And you're going to clone the project. Let me clone it already. Then I git clone. Let's see, cloning the project. Okay, let me get into the project. Let's see. I just pushed something to my project, which is the YAML and the JSON. Okay. So let's check what I have here. Let's create a Docker image. Docker build dash d gcr.io slash, let's get the project ed. Okay, slash, I'm gonna call it elastic. Let's leave it creating. You know, I am gonna share the project with you guys. Docker file is pretty simple. I'm going to from Maven create my package, Maven clean package. Then I'm going to create. I have a work dir in this case. Then I just copy the jar to the entry point. I copy the jar and put it to the entry point. Okay. Simple. Let's do the poem. Let's share some code, resources, the code itself. This everything you need to work with DataStore. These two dependencies. Apparently it looks like JPA, but it's not. In this case here I'm using Longbook. Okay. Here's the dependencies. I'm using the latest version of Spring Boot 2.2.5. Maybe the latest one I just checked these days. This is DCP starter data store. I use data REST for the REST APIs. And start web. Swagger, Lombok, the dependency management, the Spring Boot plugin for starting. That's all you need, okay. Here I have a YAML, key.json that I downloaded from my service account user. Here's my YAML, the properties, all the properties I need. And okay, I'm gonna show the data REST. That's all you need for exposing APIs. REST repository resource. Use the data REST. You don't need to create your own REST APIs. That's all you need. Just going to move the screen. Let's see if our image is done. Yeah, let's check Docker images. Okay, let's push it to container registry. That's why when we create, we say gcr.io, docker push. Okay, let's start with. I'm gonna run this containerized application called run. You don't need to deploy that on Kubernetes. For me, this way is just faster. Although unauthenticated region, leave that. Advanced adoptions, you're gonna leave the port for 9,000. Okay, add variable. Here you're gonna add some memory. Let's put 2 giga. Add variable. Let's add some virus. Let's add another variable. It's gonna put my database name. It's important. Let's create. Now I'm going to put on the data store. Here, I'm gonna check the logs. Now I'm gonna put the logging and stake driver thing. I'm gonna select data store mode. I don't need the next version of it, which is let's leave it to Europe where we are now. Okay. We're creating a database. You can see the logs on the deploying application. Just create our database. Certain regions, these logs you have here. Database is ready. I go on switch, dashboard, indexes, entities. After we check that, let's see our application is just starting. Let's double check. There's a banner. Should display my name. Okay, application is running. Now we're gonna try to insert some data on the. This is what you have with the data REST. All these APIs. It's our box. Let's add some values. The ID. Remember the ID. The ID is the thing here. Let me show you guys, which is nice, important. This ID. It's a data notation. This ID gonna show on the data store where what it means exactly. For the description, ATFS. Oops. Put some business trip. Norwegian. Pardon, let's put some code here, some value. So let's just okay. Let's put another value. 2. And you're gonna see the difference when we don't have this ID set. Like in this case here, no, not defined one. Try out this ID. Author. James. Okay, just add some values. Let's put it to 0. Must not be equal to new to 0 or new. Let's insert a couple of values. 35. Also the other. 3. Put some data. Just inserting a couple of data. And here you're gonna try out. As the get API I can get from here is the data we have there on our entities. It doesn't show on dashboard indexing or admin indexing. So in this case here, you guys can create an entity. I'm going to put marketplace. Expenses. I'm gonna cancel and I'm gonna query. It says my database is empty, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create an entity. I'm gonna put the namespace as marketplace, which I define it. Marketplace. Just double check here, you're gonna show the YAML. This is my database namespace. Marketplace, I'm gonna call it expenses. Okay, let's add some value. Amount 10. Per description. HF. Trip. It's just some data. It's great. And you see, right, all those values were here, right? So you should create an entity for being able to double check that in case it should show. Apparently looks like a bug is not like, now you can see all those books we inserted. But you're not able to query before. And now we have like these books. Let's insert more. 35. 55. 67. 7, 8, whatever. Okay, books. All those books are here. You can check this is a structured data. There's NoSQL. You see, is structured. And from when you create, you don't specify the ID. Puts a long hash along. So if you in that case, I put the be generated. If I don't put any value, I'm gonna try to insert as new on expenses. Okay, let me just check the code again. Then what we should happen? It's just a test. Entity. Okay, it's a long. So it can be new. It's not a rapid thing. So let's go into long to the expense. It says it should not be 0. Okay. What should be our expense? Yeah, if you don't put any value, it creates for you directly the ID. And this is that's what I'm telling you. If you don't put like I was not needing to put the ID. I could put to new, even for the other. Let's see where we have now. Let's put also for the books. There are simple objects. Created, created. And let's be back to books. Yeah, if you don't specify, it directly puts the ID for you, because what matters are the other columns. I call columns the structured data. And you can create more complex objects, and not only these ones that I did. You can use also filters. Let's see, key. Let's put greater than 100. Literal safe key. Equal sure fit correct. Key format. After I check this out, I should maybe in single quotes. There's a specific way to filter in this thing. Whatever. I check that later. That's not matter for us. So this is the simple. You can export this to BigQuery to storage. Or don't have a specific bucket right now, but you can export to buckets to store it. But our goal today was to show how to connect the NoSQL database with the Spring Boot application. As you guys could see, is a few configuration, very soft, light code, very simple. You don't have many kind of thing. Well, apparently looks like Spring Data JPI. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.